Hi, everyone. My name's Alberto Whitlatch. So, some background information on myself. I live in New Albin, Iowa. It's just about 4 blocks in from Minnesota, so right on the border with Minnesota. I live with my wife and 3 children, Arthur, Hugo, and Eloisa, who are 4 years old, barely 3 years old, and a less than 1 year old, so an infant. So I teach at La Crescent High School, at the La Crescent Hoka High School in La Crescent, Minnesota. This next fall, I'll be teaching geometry and algebra. Prior to moving to this area, I lived up in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and I taught at Apollo High School for 2 years. So, for some of my hobbies, I really enjoy cycling, especially lately with the nice weather. I've been getting out as much as I can. And a major hobby of mine would be home brewing. So I enjoy brewing beer, making mead, which is a honey wine, and hard cider. Those are some of my things there. And by far, my favorite movie series is Star Wars. Um, of course, I like the episode 4, 5, and 6 better than the next ones. Um, so I look forward to taking this class because, well, first of all, who couldn't work with becoming a better problem solver? But more importantly, for myself, is that I believe that I have ample opportunity really to be able to improve the ways that I teach problem solving for my students. So I'm hoping to not only become a better problem solver myself, but also be able to learn some skills in this class that is going to help me with teaching. Uh, with teaching my students how to become better problem solvers. Um, Anything else I need to say to this here? If I have any children jump out at me right now, I think I have them all napping, but there could be any chance now that they all decide to wake up at the same time and start making noise. So hopefully that won't happen for a little bit longer here. Um, but yeah, I can't think of anything else that I need to add to this. I'm looking forward to it there. I look forward to meeting you guys during discussions and working through this here. So thank you very much for listening to my introduction here. And I look forward to talking to you guys later. Bye.